The fluttering tricolour proudly proclaims India's spiritual dominance over the world. Never say die attitude and unyielding will to surmount all the obstacles have been embedded in country's values. Let's cherish all these values. Jai Hind.
Please brace yourselves as I call Shraddha of class 4 to recite the poem which will instill feelings of nationalism among us.
Good morning. My name is Shraddha of class 4. The title of my poem is "We All Are Indians First." History is our witness and martyrs are the law. We are disciples of gurus. This land is saints abroad. Compassion is our heritage. In humanity do we trust. Neither Hindu nor Muslim. We all are Indians first. Diversity is our culture and unity is our strength. We strive for peace of world, but our cautious of defense. Challenger of our sovereignty were showered by the others. Neither Kannada nor Uriya. We all are Indians first. Perseverance is our ethos and diligence is our means. We bless to usher in dawn. Our ancestors saw in dreams. We aim shy of wonder. For us, rest is rust. Neither Tamil nor Sindhu. We all are Indians first. We all are Indians first. Thank you.
That was indeed a delightful performance. Now, we call upon the President Party of class 7 to deliver a patriotic speech which will take you down the memory lane and reminisce over the struggles of our national heroes.
Good morning, respected members of the management committee, my teachers and classmates. I would like to express my views on the importance of this auspicious occasion. As we all know, our country got independence on 15th August 1947. From then onwards, we are celebrating it as Independence Day. But the fact is that India was not completely free from Britishers by 1947. It took a while for our country to completely shift from sovereignty to democracy. On 26 January 1950, that our very own constitution came into force. From then onwards, we started celebrating 26 January as Republic Day every year. It is under the leadership of those great souls we could achieve the feat of largest democratic country in the world. Legends like Mahatma Gandhi, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Subhash Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh are free people who shed their blood for the freedom we are enjoying today. Let us all bow our heads to those legendary souls. Let us also remember Dr. B.R. Ambedkar sir for his contribution writing the world's largest written constitution with 448 articles in 25 parts and 12 schedules. It is because of these great people we could breathe and live peacefully. In the name of those legends, I would like to wish you all Happy Republic Day 2021. It is our duty to make their sacrifices count by being one responsible citizen of India. Let us all work hard for the empowerment of our country. Let us pledge to keep our country clean and healthy. Thanks to one and all for giving me this great opportunity to stand and deliver my thought. Jai Hind.
You really enthused the audience with your patriotic spirit. Dance is an art form. It purifies our mind and makes us more aware of our surroundings. Let us welcome our very gang who are here to present an entering dance performance before you.
आन देश की शान देश की
हम संतान हैं,
तीन रंग से रंगा तिरंगा
अपनी ये पहचान है। जय हिंद।
तलवारों पे सर वार दिए, अंगारों में जिस्म चलाया है, तब जाके कहीं हमने सर मरघट से मरघट तक है तेरी कहानी, पग पग प्यारे दंगल दंगल रे दंगल दंगल। सूरज तेरा चढ़ता ढलता गर्दिश में करते हैं तारे, दंगल दंगल रे दंगल दंगल।
झुके तेरे आगे से तेरी गोद मेरा घर है, तुझे सलाम इंडिया। झुके तेरे आगे से तेरी गोद मेरा घर है, तुझे सलाम इंडिया। वंदे मातरम 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 वंदे मातरम।
तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। तेरी नदियों में बह जावा तेरे खेतों में लहरावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। जहाँ डाल डाल पे सोने की चिड़िया करती है बसेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा।
ऐ मेरे प्यारे वतन, ऐ मेरे बिछड़े चमन, तुझ पे दिल कुर्बान, तुझ पे दिल कुर्बान।
ये तुझे वीर जवानों का, लबेलों का, मस्तानों का, इस देश का यारो, इस देश का यारो क्या कहना, ये देश है दुनिया का गहना। यहाँ चूड़ी छाती वीरों की, यहाँ बोली शक्लें हीरों की, यहाँ गाते रांझे, यहाँ गाते रांझे, मस्ती में मचती है धूमें बस्ती में।
What an energetic performance! With this, we conclude our event. I hope you all thoroughly enjoyed the infinite potential of the children. Jai Hind.
एक तेरा नाम है साजा, हो एक तेरा नाम